Do you want to know how you can configure the communication preferences on your Draftkings account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your configurations about your communications on Draftkings. So go ahead and open any type of browsers and go to draftkings.co.uk and log into your account, hover around your profile and go to account information. After click on it, write down your login credentials, click login and it will take you to this page over here. What you need to do next is click on login and security. Scroll all the way down until you find communication preferences. Manage your email, push notifications and other communications preferences across Draftkings products. Go ahead and click on configure, which is over here, and you will be headed to another page of Draftkings. You can see that these are the communications which you can manage. So you can individually turn these on and off over here. So you can see the login notifications, daily fantasy, marketing offers. You can turn on or off about your email and postal mail. So same goes for sportsbook and casino marketing offers. And some of the other offers are over here. So other offers are also over here. So you can pick accordingly. And you can turn on and off your email or the communication settings which you want to watch, or if you want to ignore all of this, you can just go ahead and turn off all of this individually and you will get a lot lesser disturbance from Draftkings. So guys, this is how you configure your communication settings on your Draftkings account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.